What's up, everybody? It's Mike with Omega Survival, and this is the third episode of my epic EDC series. And both of these items are from Tackware, and they're both titanium. This one's really cool. I'll give you an up-close look, and I'll open it up and show you what it is in a second. Really cool little EDC item. And here's the second. This one's meant to go in a keychain, but I keep it in my pack. And the first one, the larger one here, is a titanium grappling hook mini. It's an awesome little EDC tool. The spikes are really sharp. They're 1.5 inches, and the container with the lid on it is 2.5 inches the way you see it now. If you remove the spikes and you don't keep the spikes in it, it can be used as a small waterproof cache for pills, money, if you have gold, chains, or anything valuable that you don't want ruined. You could stick in there and leave it on your keychain. And now it's like the world's toughest daily medication bottle. But I don't know about all of you guys, or girls, but I go whitewater rafting, and I spend a lot of time on the water in the summertime, and especially now, given the fact that I'm only literally right across the street from one of the biggest rivers in my state. You drop things and lose things in the river. So if you keep this in your pack, and if you're like me and you have a lot of paracord with you, you're going to be able to tie this thing down and throw it in and grab whatever you lost or whatever's floating down the river. I've seen friends of mine with my own eyes drop packs in the river and just watch them float downstream. So when you get to wherever you're going, I would recommend you keep this on your keychain or keep some kind of kit on you. Again, if you're like me, I keep a knife on me that usually has a length of paracord on it, and I always have some nearby, and you just tie it off and whiz it out into the lake or the river, and them spikes are really sharp. It's going to dig into whatever it hits, and you'll be able to pull your pack right back up onto the shore, and you're good to go. Now, the second little item can be used for poking, scratching. It's supposed to be a toothpick, but personally, I've found a dozen things I've used this for already, but the toothpick wasn't one of them. You can use it for self-defense. It is titanium, very sharp, and I showed this in a previous video a few days ago. And what I use this for the most that I've found so far is blisters. I do a lot of hiking and a lot of climbing, and I get a lot of blisters on my hands and on my feet, and I found that if I sterilize this, it makes a really good sterile pick for blisters. I mean, they literally use titanium pins and rods when they do bone surgery, when you break multiple bones. So titanium is probably one of the most sterile steels you could probably use when you're going to do something like that. And it's got a rubber O-ring on it, so it's going to stay dry. And it just neatly folds away like that. And you know, pulling things into the shore that you might lose in the river is just one thing. You ever had anything stuck up on a roof, or you need to throw your line over a tree branch to pull your food up at a camp. You can use this just as a weight. You could tie your rope on it. It's something small. It's, because it's titanium, almost indestructible. You can tie a rope over it, throw it over a tree branch, tie your food or your pack on it and pull it up. But plainly, honestly, in my opinion, it's just downright cool. It really is. It's a really cool little EDC item. You don't see too many of these floating around.
Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk, a versatile instrument useful in a range of applications including rescue, survival, tactical, and everyday outdoor adventures. The SCX4 Tomahawk delivers chopping, cutting, and penetration power in a lightweight package. The SCX4's axe head is cast from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel and is powder coated for increased durability. Chop, cut, and slice with a sharp 3.3-inch edge. Use a high grip on the handle shaft for controlled cutting. Slide your hand lower down the shaft for increased power. For maximum penetration, bring the hardened pointed spike into play. Low-density polyethylene is molded around the axe head's tang, creating a nearly indestructible handle. Over 3 feet of 550 spec paracord is wrapped around the lower end of the handle, establishing a positive gripping surface well suited for aggressively delivering rigorous chopping and penetration blows. For even greater safety, tether the SCX4 to your wrist with the paracord. Protect the Tomahawk's blade by storing it in the black nylon belt sheath. The sheath's twin top snaps keep the Hawk secure while providing quick and easy access. A 3-inch belt loop lets the SCX4 hang comfortably at your side or lash to gear, ready for the moment you need it. A lightweight Tomahawk weighing in at a mere 1 3/4 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk.
This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox. It has a grater-like steel cutting surface for making tinder and a tray underneath to catch the shavings. After shaving wood into the tray, push the button for easy removal of the tinder. Next, empty the dry tinder contents onto the collected items you'll be burning. Never start a fire in the collection tray. If your matches are wet or your fire starter is not handy, use the tinderbox's magnifying glass to ignite the tinder. When finished, place the plastic cover over the cutting surface for safe storage. An emergency signaling mirror is located on the underside, and the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide is also included. An innovative lightweight lifesaver. This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox.
Hi, my name is Stuart Yo. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is my backyard. I've grown up exploring these mountains, camping, backpacking, fishing, and skiing. When you're in the wilderness, a variety of jobs can come up, but you need to be picky about your gear when every ounce counts. I realized I needed a lightweight tool that could do multiple tasks. I'd like to introduce the Spar tool. The Spar tool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. Spar tool weighs less than 3 pounds and is constructed from spring-tempered 1075 carbon steel and shatterproof Zytel polymer. Its solid build has no hinge or other moving parts, making it lighter and more durable than the competition. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke. The blade splits wood apart. The saw rips through just about anything. And of course, it digs like a champ. The Spar tool is perfectly balanced, making the reverse end just as useful. It hammers. It unhammers. The spike excels at demolition. The pry bar is tough and versatile. And it opens up your favorite beverage after all that work. Spar tool is a great addition to your gear kit, whether you're on the road, in the wild, at home in the garden, or in case of emergency. The Spar tool design phase is complete, and tooling for manufacture of all metal components is ready. We need your help to fund production of injection molding equipment and to fill our first order so that we can bring Spar tool to market. Want to help out but not ready to commit? Check out our Spar Kit Survival Tin. It's packed with useful goodies that could save your life in an emergency, or more likely, help you MacGyver a solution in your everyday life.